Hey, it's Mark, RPM Tesla Aftermarket Accessories, Model X full sunshade kit. Brand new from RPM. Fits all enclosed in this bag. All the clips are in here. You're gonna love it. We see customers coming in all the time with these aluminum shields in the car. This product is awesome. Let's check out everything you're gonna get in the bag. We'll show you how to open it all up. We'll show you all the clips. And I like to call them invisible clips, because when you put these clips in, you're never even going to see them. So this just simply holds each of the screens into the headliner. So let's get started. First of all, take it out of the bag and unfold them all. That way it helps identify them. This is obviously a Model X backseat window. We're going to have two of those. Here's the other one. So you're going to see Model X. That's the side that goes up into the car. So two of those. You're going to have the smaller windows, which are above the passengers in the back seat. So we're going to have 2, 4, 6 windows shaded with this great kit. Perfect in the summer, perfect in the winter, and any time. Now these are the larger ones. This is, of course, the back window. And the last one is the upper window. So let's take a look at where they all go, and we'll make a little diagram. We'll show you how they work, and we think this is going to be great. Original model owners of the Model X did not get this front window shade. The newer cars come with it, but again, this is all the back and the sides. So it's a 6-piece kit, and let's take a look at how we're going to install them all. So why don't we go do the simple ones for the back windows first, and the back seat, I mean. And I always count all the clips, make sure you got all the boxes. Looks like we've got 10 of these, 12, and let's show you how the clips work. The nice thing is that when you put the clip on the side like this, you just simply push it downward like this, and it grabs and it goes inside. So the metal rods in here hold it right in place. So let's go put these in. So we're in the Model X, and you'll notice how nice these fit. They fit right inside of the Falcon Wing doors. Just simply bend them and pop them in. So these really do not require clips, but if you want to use the clips, it fits great. You're just going to grab the clip on this end here, and you're going to fold it around and over, and the clip goes underneath. So again, the clips hide underneath the headliners. So you hook the clip on, force it around, and it goes underneath the headliner. So I'll take it off again, put it down inside, and you got to make it go expand the whole width at the top. So this might be the other side. So just like this, pop it in, and then again, if you have any edges where you want them a little more secure, the clips just press them all the way in like this. So it's a real nice fitment. Just move it around so you get it in nice and straight. We'll do the other side next, and let me get the big door window now. So you can see how nice this is going to fit right inside the window like this in the frame. And then you can use the clips wherever you want. At the top, hook it over, and then underneath, so it fits absolutely flush. Put a couple of them on, put them on the sides. We give you about 15 clips, so you can use it wherever you want. If you roll the window down, you want to make sure your windows are locked so your windows don't go down, or the clips will probably get sucked out of the window. There's that one. So that takes care of the passenger door in the right and the rear. Now let's look at the back of the car. Okay, here's the back window with the window tint only. So again, this is kind of like a before photo. And once the shade screen is inserted in place,
it looks like this. Quite a big difference. Again, this will keep a lot of heat out of your car, especially if you leave it parked in the sun all day. Thank you. Here's another before and after photo. Notice the two windows on the right side in the back seat. These only have window tint. And the ones on the passenger side rear both have the screens. Quite a difference, huh?
Okay, we've got two left, the front windshield and the back window. So let's insert the back one first. So with this one, the rounded edge goes towards the bottom or the back of the tailgate. Insert it way inside. And then just pop it in like this. And that's it. Just grab one of the clips if needed. And hook it on like this. It's always the opposite. And slide the clips down, so this will fit in all the moldings all the way around if you really want to secure it. Again, you're not going to need to use clips in all these locations. Maybe if you put the windows down, they could flop around with the wind. But again, we just give you plenty of extra ones so you can kind of play it by ear. But it fits in really nice just like that. Okay, we're going to put it back up and then put the clips on. And we're going to show you the extra pieces. So again, I think the fitment is great. It's probably just as good as the original ones. Hook on the clips and insert it under the headliner, just like that. Same thing on this side. Spread them out. You don't want them too close together. Especially on the Model X, you have the antenna wiring running down through here. So then you have your visors. So a lot of us, of course, don't like to drive around with our visors in. And we have these magnetic visors that go up, and these will help hold it while you're installing it. So that works good. But thanks again. That's our 6-piece kit for the Model X. They're in stock. And once you get all the clips in, it's really nice. Thanks again for checking it out. Okay, one more time. This is the back seat upper windows, Falcon Wing upper windows. These are the side windows. Keep that sunlight off the kids, and you can still see through it, but it blocks about 60% of the light and also the UV and the infrared. Now again, this is the back window, the rear hatchback, and this is the windshield partial, which goes all the way up to the headliners or up to the visors. So again, this is everything you get in the 6-piece kit, along with lots of clips.